Hi, I'm Dr. Sara Shields, and I'm here today at our native demonstration gardens at the Central Region Dean Lee Research and Extension Center. One of the plants I want to show to you today is Calicarpa Americana, the American Beautyberry. The American Beautyberry, which is planted right here, is a deciduous shrub that will grow somewhere between 3 to 6 foot tall, but it's not uncommon for it to get a little bit bigger. Beautyberries will tolerate a wide range of soil types, even clay soils. You just want to be sure to provide extra water if rainfall is not adequate at the time. The shrub can also tolerate a wide range of light conditions. Here we have it planted in full sun, but it will also do well in dappled light if planted as an understory tree. In the summer months, American Beautyberry produces pink or lavender colored flowers that are rather nondescript. So the plant is not grown for the flowering aspect, but throughout the summer and into the fall, you'll notice the formation of berries that whirl around the stem. Those berries will continue to form throughout the summer months. And by the fall, you'll notice these bright pink or purple berries that just fill this area around where the leaves are located. And it really makes a statement in the landscape. This plant that we have at the station is starting to get a little bit tall. So I will go in late winter, early spring next year, and I will go in and prune this plant to bring it back down to a more manageable size so it fits closer with the other native plants here in this demonstration garden. The plant's low maintenance needs is one of the reasons that I really enjoy this native American Beautyberry. Another plant we have in our native demonstration garden is the Itia Virginica Little Henry. Itia Virginica is a native plant native to the southeastern United States. Little Henry is a specific cultivar of Itia Virginica, so I guess you could say it is an improved variety or improved cultivar over what is the native parent plant. Little Henry is a deciduous shrub, which means it will lose its leaves in the fall. But before it does so, in late summer, early fall, it develops this fantastic fall foliage colors with reds and orange and gold colored foliage that really makes a statement in the landscape in the fall months. In the spring, late spring, Little Henry will develop these flowers. It's white flowers on these long drooping racemes. This raceme has already bloomed for the year, so we won't get to enjoy it again until next year. But I brought an example of what the flowers look like with this Itia Virginica Scentlandia right next to it. So the flowers on the Little Henry will look exactly like what I'm showing you here. We'll get those in the late spring, early summer every year. Little Henry, one of the things I like about it is that it has a smaller, compact growth habit. It will grow to be about 2 to 3 foot tall and 2 to 3 foot wide. So in a smaller landscape setting, the compact nature of the plant makes it a perfect addition. Little Henry, Itia Virginica, is tolerant of a wide variety of soil types, including clay soils. The plants will even do well in low or boggy situations in the landscape as long as you don't have constantly standing water. They can tolerate more water and need that supplemental water in times when we don't receive adequate rainfall. Little Henry is also tolerant to a wide variety of light conditions. Here we have it planted in full sun, but it also does well as an understory plant and can tolerate full shade. Any pruning that needs to be done should be completed immediately after flowering, so this would be a perfect time to go in and prune this little Henry, because the flowers that develop each year are born on old wood. So as the plant continues to grow for the year, it's already starting to develop the flowers for next year. So if I wanted to prune, now would be the adequate time to do so. I highlighted 2 of the plants in our native demonstration gardens today, but I would invite you to come out to the Deanley Research and Extension Center to view all of the other native plants that we have in the gardens. Many of these will make perfect additions into your landscape.